May 2025 didn't start a war, but it sure as hell reminded us how one could begin. Drones in the sky, missiles on standby, cyber attacks ticking like bombs. And behind all that smoke, truth too dangerous to ignore. This is not a post-mortem, this is a wake-up call. 6 brutal bleeding-edge lessons India must engrave in steel before it's too late. Before the first drone flew, the first lie was already trending. Pakistani propaganda flooded social media. Fake videos of Tejas crashes, false claims of Indian casualties. India's enemies knew wars are won in minds before they're won on maps. But India's counter-narrative delayed, dull, reactive. India owns satellites but loses on smartphones. Akashtir did its job where it was deployed, but in sectors like Samba and Rajouri, gaps showed. India needs anti-drone shields like it has ATMs, everywhere. Because the enemy won't send jets, they'll send mosquitoes with payloads. An AK-47 won't shoot down a swarm, but planning might. After the Pulwama Balakot strikes, Pakistan knew India's playbook. May 2025 showed they were testing thresholds, and what did India do? Measured response, strategic silence. But sometimes silence is mistaken for hesitation. Realpolitik doesn't apologize, it punishes. India didn't start the fire, but must be ready to finish it. As jets patrolled the skies, invisible viruses invaded systems. Power flickered, signals jammed. Pakistan may not have full cyber muscle, but its allies do. China, Iran, even mercenary hacker groups. And India, still training teams to detect yesterday's malware. The next Kargil may start with a keyboard, not a Kalashnikov. While India showed restraint, Pakistan played victim. And the world? It watched, judged and forgot the past. India needs deterrence that talks. Because in geopolitics, fear speaks louder than facts. Global respect follows strength, not statements. Even as threats mounted, parties bickered, media polarized and crucial procurement files gathered dust. Soldiers stand united at the border, but is India united behind them? India's enemies didn't just study weapons, they studied India's divisions. Borders are guarded with rifles, nations are guarded with unity. May 2025 wasn't a war, but it was a warning, a flicker, a tremor, and India must treat it as a drill from destiny, not to react, but to prepare. Because next time, there may be no time. The question is not, will it happen again? The question is, will India be ready?